See, basically, my name is Mihir Jahveri, and everyone knows me as Mihir. And whoever has interacted with me over the last 22 years in this industry, okay. 10 years, it was more into doing business development and helping organizations sell services. So I carry an experience of combinations of both. I have lived and worked in US, UK, in Middle East. We were using data mostly from a visualization perspective or from a reporting perspective. But there were plenty of use cases coming around data science and AI, but due to the cost associated with those projects, it was not taken up so easily in the industry. Everyone knew there was a benefit of doing AI ML because it's not a new AI ML, it is there in last 30 years in the industry. But it was not observed quickly because of the cost associated with each use case. Their consistency of having a hackathon. I have seen passion when I spoke to the counselors, when I spoke to the various stakeholders who were involved. I have seen that they have determination to educate the society as well as to connect the talent with the industry problem. And if you're able to be in the leaderboard, it gives you a visibility where you can really look at your end goal, or you can try to get an exciting job which meets your capabilities. It covered everything what I was looking at. It covered the machine learning perspective. It covered also the AI from a computer vision perspective. It also covered career enhancement services also. Because that was also part of the thing, and apart from that, it also covered few domain analytics also. So from my perspective, in my experience, what I come in, I wanted best of everything. And Blackbelt was really fitting exactly into it, where it was offering me all of that what I was looking at because I wanted to understand the whole ecosystem, not just study the machine learning and not lay out the computer vision, because I feel everything is going hand in hand based on how you are going to do your use cases. I like two things about it is that whenever we had any queries or any clarification when we were doing this thing, we used to, relevant to that screen or relevant to that concept, you can type that question that was directly tagged to that. Second thing was the live mentor session which they used to give every month. So you can talk and clarify any doubts you have regarding your career, regarding your technology, regarding your problem statement. So there are plenty of moments here, because sometimes when you're going through the course, the data set, the assignment, you feel like whether you've done a right choice or not, because it is not so easy also, because if it was easy, then you could have seen so many people coming out of it. It was not also tough also, but the thing was coming is that patience and application and researching was the key actually. So there were certain good moments when you complete your assignments or when you complete a concept. So the biggest transformation was that keep on learning actually, and I encourage everyone, whichever field we are, whether it is technical field, functional field, sales field or management field, to really go through this black belt, because it gives you the whole perspective of really how do you take this application of concepts and ideas to your end customer and bring it to the result actually. If you want to have a real industry mentor discussion one-to-one, apart from whatever you're learning, Blackbelt is good. Analyticsvidhya is really good if you want to get end-to-end exposure, because today many platforms just teaches data science, but they don't run hackathon, or they run hackathon 6 months once or 7 months once, just like that. There is a separate platform which runs the hackathon within Analyticsvidhya, and people keep on posting the solution. You pick up those solutions, you enrich. That's how you learn faster, correct? See, one is whatever you're going through the whole learning curve of concepts and assignments and discussions and everything. One additional thing which they have added, which is very good in Blackbelt for the people who look for career transition, they also have career services or LinkedIn services here. The Blackbelt is the right program for them to pick it up here. What I liked here in Analyticsvidhya, one thing is also you're contributing back to the society by educating, by giving hackathon free, by doing certain other additional things. See, that is very important also here. So that is a good way how you spread the awareness of data science or AI or ML concept or whatever new concepts which are going to come in, how you're taking to the vast audience so that organization also benefit, the employee also benefit, yeah, and parallelly also analytics video also benefit that wave, yeah. So it's really interesting, yeah.